Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into something truly fascinating, the strange magnetism of bismuth. You might have heard of this metal before. It's got that awesome rainbow sheen, but did you know it's got some mind-blowing magnetic properties too? Let's unlock these secrets together. First off, bismuth is a diamagnetic material. What does that mean? Well, unlike ferromagnetic materials like iron, which get attracted to magnets, diamagnetic materials like bismuth get slightly repelled by them. It's like the shy kid at the magnet party. But wait, it gets even cooler. Bismuth has the strongest diamagnetism of any metal. This means it can create its own magnetic field that opposes an external magnetic field. Picture it like this. If you bring a strong magnet close to bismuth, the bismuth will push back with its own tiny magnetic force. Seriously, it's like the ultimate underdog story of the periodic table. So, why does bismuth behave this way? It all comes down to the electrons. In bismuth atoms, electrons move in such a way that they generate tiny loops of current, creating a mini magnetic field that opposes external magnetic fields. This is what gives bismuth its super strong diamagnetic properties. Now you might be thinking, how is this useful? Well, bismuth's unique magnetism has some pretty exciting applications. It's used in magnetic levitation experiments. Think floating trains. Scientists also use it in medical imaging to enhance the quality of images. And let's not forget, it's a key player in the world of superconductors, helping us push the boundaries of what's possible in technology. And here's a fun fact to impress your friends with. Bismuth has an incredibly low thermal conductivity. This means it doesn't transfer heat well, making it an excellent insulator. Combine that with its diamagnetism, and you've got one versatile metal. So, the next time you see bismuth's shiny, colorful crystals, remember, there's a lot more going on beneath the surface. From its strong diamagnetism to its role in cutting-edge technology, bismuth is a hidden gem in the world of science. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into bismuth's magnetic secrets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science content. Stay curious, my friends. Catch you in the next video.